Welcome to 20 Car. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C6 represents the next evolution of an American legend, combining the bold aesthetics of racing heritage with modern performance. The exterior design is both aggressive and aerodynamic, with sharp, angular lines that slice through the air. Its low, wide stance and flared wheel arches command attention on the road, while the iconic Corvette dual exhaust pipes and LED headlights give the car a futuristic edge. Available in a variety of custom paint colors, from the classic Corvette red to sleek matte black, buyers can personalize the car to reflect their unique taste. Once inside, the Corvette C6 is all about putting the driver first. The dashboard is a showcase of advanced digital technology, featuring a 12-inch customizable display that integrates navigation, performance data, and entertainment. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials like Alcantara and premium leather, adding a layer of luxury to its sporty persona. The seats are expertly designed to offer support during high-speed maneuvers while providing exceptional comfort for long journeys. Ambient lighting lets you customize the atmosphere, whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the car's limits on the track. Though compact, the rear cabin offers passengers the same attention to detail. The space is finely finished, providing surprising legroom for a two-seater sports car. In addition to its passenger accommodations, the Corvette C6 also boasts impressive cargo space, making it ideal for both weekend getaways and track day gear. The ergonomic design ensures passengers feel every bit as connected to the road as the driver. Beneath the hood, the Corvette C6 is powered by a robust 6.2-liter V8 engine, producing 500 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This powerhouse propels the car from 0 to 100 kilometers height in a thrilling 3.4 seconds, showcasing its remarkable performance. Competing with luxury sports cars like the Porsche 911 and BMW M4, the Corvette C6 distinguishes itself with its unique blend of American muscle and refined engineering. With a starting price of around $85,000, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C6 offers incredible value in performance, luxury, and style, making it one of the most exciting options in the world of sports cars.